Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Oh, kompleto to na. Kana maka-proud ba? Kana magdaka mga foreigners dito? Oh wow, this is exquisite, excellent. Ako lang i-mention kay. Worth mentioning man, di ba? Alright, anyway, welcome to Cebu. So, the province of Cebu, we have 44 municipalities. Then, 9 cities.
Kaya cities dahil.
So 9 cities and 44 municipalities. Recap lang ta kay taga-Bohol man mo. So the 9 cities are the province is Cebu, then the capital city is Cebu City. O, di ba? And then ang among mayor karon is Mayor Raymond Alvin Garcia, replacing the suspended mayor. Oh, chika marites tagamay. Nakuha siya, naigo siya sa kuhan, kanang nepotism. Si Michael Rama. So, kuhan man din na sa balado. Only 3 members of the family. Up to the, third consanguinity. So, kung din na kayo nga balaod, sagrado din. Sagrado din na. So, careful. Hindi na po yung Raymond Alvin Garcia. Cebu City. And then, padayon ta sa unahan gamay, we have suspended po si same po si Jonas Cortez. Di ba suspenso ko dyan, no? Oh, I don't know the case of Jonas Cortez because I'm not from Mandawi. So, bago po nilang mayor dito. So, that's the second city. Then we have one city in Mactan. Okay, Mactan is the island. And there's one city there, Lapu-Lapu City. Of course, we all know about the warrior chieftain Lapu-Lapu who defeated Magellan in the Battle of Mactan according to Yoyoy Villame na taga-Bohol. Sa tulo na kasyudad, further pa dyan, the bailiwick of the Duranos. So they're very famous sa iba sa katong mga kuhan, katong panahon sa mga politik pa, di ba? Danao, nagkano ito manghimuay yung pusel kay kuhan ko na by history, the armory daw, the US Armory, during the American occupation, it was in Danao. And caretakers, kanang manglimpyo sa mga pusil, mga Pilipino, bright pang kayo Pilipino, so ilang ipang kopya, bilang kabilya, imong pusil. So dito nagsugod ang craftsmanship of the people of Danao to make, kanang, kaya Manila kopya kanang 1911. So now, Uzi, kanang Ingram, 9mm nga bala. Pero, kung ano po doon, medyo stricto na po, so di na basta-basta. Like before, like 20 years ago. Ay, wala, korta na. So, in other municipalities, in other towns, kung mubuto ang pusil, mahadlok, di ba? Dito sa ila, kung mubuto ganun, kung ano, pasabutan na testing na, nanay bayan. So, and then further pa, Jod, kung ano mo ka ng mga katubhan nito, katong mga Bogo City. Mga lapad pa na Bogo, Medellin. So, Cebu, Lapu-Lapu, Mandawi, Danao, Bogo, Lima. Arta sa south, Talisay. And then further south pa dyan, the city of Naga.
Toledo.
Karkar, and then Toledo. So, Toledo. So, Siam ka city. And then, 3 of these cities are independent cities. So, they were chartered. Ang Cebu na, dugay naman na charter, 1937 pa. Then recently, ang Mandawi o ang Lapu-Lapu, meaning chartered cities, they are not under the jurisdiction of the province of Cebu. So this coming May, in their ballots, me, I'm a Cebuano, I'm from Cebu, in our ballots, dili na may mutik of governor. Ano man to? So dili may mutik of governor, wala, di may mubutar ba, kaya dili may appeal sa kuhan. So dili ganahan ng gobernador ani kay siyempre wala boto, di ba? Ang majority of the voting population nabaya sa metropolitan. So dako kayong nawala, di ba? So our governor here is a woman, Gwendolyn Garcia, the feisty governor. So, especially during COVID, makita na to siya sa Facebook perme. And then the daughter is the youngest cabinet member of this administration. Si Maria Cristina Garcia Frasco. So she is the Secretary of Tourism. Di ba? Nga sa pa may ato. Wala to, na-mention na ang 9 cities. Our population here in the whole province of Cebu, it's approximately 5 million. 5 million. Then that's our port of Cebu, among Cebu International Port. So, CIP ni, Cebu International Port. We are autonomous. We are not under PPA. So, we can decide on our own. So, kuan man tugod kay dako pod siya ba? So, mo lang di pa din totally separate. Under the government gyapon, pero mo lagi autonomous pa.
Cebu na Cebu.
So, CIP. Then, Cebu has the busiest domestic seaport in the Philippines, busier than the capital Manila. Why? Kaya naman siya sa tunga. Ang official count karon is 7,641 islands. So to connect to the provinces of Bohol, Siquijor, Negros, di ba, na ocean jet, Cocalyon, going to Leyte, Trans-Asia, Tugo, sa una ko, Abuetis, Gotong, mauna man na. So big players in the shipping industry mostly are Cebuanos. Okay, that's the strength of Cebu, Jud, ang trading. So even before the arrival of the Spaniards in the Philippines, trading was already present in Cebu. Traders from as far as Kingdom of Siam, Malaysia, Japan. So muna naman ang politiko, Cebu sa maayong kabubuton. Di ba? Ang imong kamote, Cebuan o manok. Ang imong bulawan, Cebuan o panakton. Di ba? Haom, Cebu. In our dialect, it means to barter. So that's why we are called Cebu. And one of our 5-star hotels to your right, ang Radisson. So the investor of the building, of the property is SM. In partnership with Radisson. Radisson is a world chain man na siya, international chain. So na siya profit sharing. So SM, ako dami, kanang we already have 10 cities na diyan, kaya nakasumat diha, SM City man. So napula. So, Henry C. One of the biggest conglomerates in the country. Used to be the richest man in the Philippines. Namatay naman, Tatang Henry. These are called Taipans. So 15% of our population in Cebu are Filipino-Chinese. Gaisano, Kukungwe, Gutianon, Gutiauco, mga elite. Tawag na itong Taipan. And then this 15%, they control the 80% of the businesses. Di ba? So, pag-abot nila sa una, according to my research, sila itong mga karpintero, sila itong domestic helper, mga yaya, mga maid, pamunit o botilya, kuthaw, maninda sa kalsada. Because they were so good in, I don't know, they have a secret formula maybe in business. So the wheel has turned, nabali na. They now control the economy. Ang Pilipino na mo ay empleyado. Sila na mga... Tinaba na kay Gokongwei. Obviously, Filipino-Chinese man na, di ba? So that's why he named the airline Cebu Pacific. So, flagship carrier sa Cebu, kaya taga Cebu man siya. Kanang PhilInvest, that's a Cebuano brand also. Pen Shop, that's a Cebuano brand. Lualde, sa pa may lain. Aboitiz. Ano na, lakot ko ng Aboitiz, di ba? They were focused with energy now, power. But before, they used to be with, sila shipping, Abaka, Kupras. So diyan sila nagsugod dyan, Abakal, Lanot, Kupras, kanto din palit ng barko. So nahimong silang shipping na, Aboitiz. Then if you can remember sometime in the 90s, nga to'y WGNA. So it was